Hey everybody, it's Julie the Whippy Chicken. I love this next pattern. I've never even heard of these before, and I just stumbled across it and I love this idea. So this is the egg basket crochet pattern, and I just love it. I don't have chickens, but I still love it. So this is basically a basket that's broken up into different compartments for your eggs to kind of protect them and keep them safe. So it says, eggs are part of the diet of many people. For those who like to pay attention to every detail, we'll show you how to make a creative egg basket to store your eggs. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. This was found on crochetblog.net. So that's where I found this. And the pattern is right here, so no need to go scrolling around and looking. But they have lots of different examples in the picture, and I like the ones with the handles the most. That's just me. It does have, for those of you who prefer a tutorial video, it has that. Okay, so you can click on this, click on my link in the Pinterest board, and it's going to take you right to the website, crochetblog.net, and all you have to do is scroll down just a tiny bit, and it's really there in big bold letters, big bold picture. This is the video tutorial. So I think it's a great idea. I know I really like to learn from video tutorials as well. I can read a pattern, but I'd rather watch someone else teach me how to do it than I don't have to try to figure it out on my own. But there's lots of great pictures here. I really like this green one because it just looks like a flower. It's just so pretty. I love them all. And how perfect would these be at Easter time, right? I'm taking a bunch of screen grabs here, guys. I'm definitely going to take a screen grab of the picture of the video so you know exactly where to go to make these. So is this something that you've ever done? Have you ever made an egg basket before? Have you ever even heard of one before? I'd never heard of one, so I'm really curious. Am I completely in the dark here or what? And if you have made one or heard of them, have you ever used one before, and how did it go? I'm really thinking you'd have to be very sure of your crochet skills on your basket handle, because the last thing you'd want is for it to fall apart. What a mess that would make, right? All right, everybody, I hope you're having a great day. As always, if you're interested in making this or any other one of my Pinterest board ideas, go ahead and click the description box below. It's going to take you right to my Pinterest board. Click on the picture, you're going to go right to the pattern, or in this case, the tutorial. Okay, and let me think, is there anything else I need to say? I don't think so. Leave me a comment. All right, everybody, have a great day, and I will see you with another fantastic idea tomorrow. Bye-bye.